Rafaqat Kazmi. In this video, we will focus on taking user input. Let's get started. Importance of the user input. If you have done programming before, you know how critical it is to get the input from the user. There are two types of the software, static and the dynamic. Static softwares. These are the applications only provide information to the user without taking any input. Examples include clocks, calendars, most government websites, and logs. Dynamic softwares. These applications interact with the user, taking input and provide feedback. Examples include YouTube, where you search for the videos and post comments, WhatsApp, where you send messages, and food delivery apps, where you enter your address and select items. Most modern applications are dynamic and require user input to function. Therefore, almost all programming languages provide ways to capture user input, and Python is no exception. Using the user input function. In Python, we use the built-in input functions to get input from the user. Let's see how it works. User input assigns input. When you run this code, you will see an input box appear on your screen. This user can type something, hit enter, and the type input will be stored in the user underscore input variable. However, this approach lacks context for the user. It's better to provide a prompt that guides the user on what to enter. Like name assigns input, please enter your name. Print hello plus name plus hyphen. This code snippet prompts the user to enter their name and then gets them. Example program adding two numbers. Let's write a simple program to take two numbers from the user, add them and print the result. Number sign taking input from the user. First underscore number assigns input, enter the first number. Second number assigns input, enter the second number. Printing the input to check their values, print first number, comma, first number. Print second number, comma, second number. Adding the numbers. Result assigns first number plus second number. Print result. When you run this program, you will notice that the result might not be what you expect. For example, entering 56 and 76 will result 5676 instead of 132. This happens because this input function always returns a string. Understanding the type conversion. To fix this, we need to convert input strings to integers before performing the addition. Here is how to do it. Taking input from the user and converting it into the integer. First number assigns int input, enter the first number. Second number assigns input into input, enter the second number. Now entering 56 and 76 will correctly display the result as 132. Checking the data types. You can use the data type function to check the data type of a variable. Here is a quick example. Taking input from the user underscore input assigns input, enter something. Checking the data type. Print data type of the user input, type into user input. Regardless of what the user enters, the type function will show that the input of the type string. This is why we need to perform type conversion from numerical operations. Conclusion. Taking the user input is the fundamental in creating dynamic softwares. Python's input functions allow us to capture user input easily. But it's important to remember that the input is always a string and may require conversions to other data types. That's it for the day video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and